This will happen if you do planks for 60 seconds every day. Are you fed up with sifting through complicated fitness routines and fancy gym equipment? Just imagine achieving incredible strength and improved health benefits without leaving your living room or investing in expensive gear. Well, if that is your motive, you are at the right place, because today we are going to talk about a very effective full-body workout that has taken the fitness world by storm. Yes, we are talking about planks. If you're not sure what planks are, don't worry, just carry on. Planks is an isometric exercise in which you have to maintain a position similar to one in push-ups for a specific period. When you see someone doing planks, you might think, man, they're really easy. But let us burst the bubble. They're not as simple as they seem. First, maintaining a proper position all along is a big challenge. Second, obviously, a whole body workout requires whole body strength. Plank workouts can be used as the basis for a core muscle strength and stability test. It is more of a strength building exercise rather than cardio. However, since it engages a wide array of muscles in your body, it can also boost your calorie burn. Doing planks for 60 seconds every day offers a wide range of remarkable benefits. Let's move ahead and explore the benefits of incorporating them into your everyday routine. Number 1. Planks are a great workout for strengthening a variety of muscle groups. This static, no-equipment exercise is an excellent choice when it comes to building strength in a range of muscle groups. Although the workout primarily targets your core muscles, the benefits extend far beyond that. Incorporating planks into your daily exercise not only helps fortify your core muscles, it also works wonders for your back, neck, chest, and shoulder muscles, improving your spinal stability. What's more, as you hold the plank position, you also engage your leg muscles. So basically, planks work as a full-body exercise for strengthening muscles, and that too without any fancy equipment. Number 2. Planks help develop a robust and well-balanced back. While maintaining the plank position, the muscles that run along your spine are engaged. These muscles are involved in spinal stability and play a crucial role in maintaining a proper posture. Planks are simple yet a powerful exercise. They help develop back muscles so that you stay upright and support your spine as you carry out everyday activities. Number 3. You can also boost your metabolism with planks. Doing planks for 60 seconds involves several muscles of your body. Engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously during a plank can boost your metabolism. Increased metabolism helps your body burn more and more calories throughout the day, even when you're resting. Did you know that planks help you burn more calories as compared to other ab-focused exercises, such as crunches? So if you're looking for a nice gym to boost your metabolic rates, just give planks a shot. Number 4. Planks work wonders for your posture. Weak back and abdominal muscles are often the main culprits behind poor posture. Planks strengthen these muscle groups and create a stable foundation for your spine. The magic happens when you hold yourself in a proper plank position. And it doesn't stop there. Planks make it easier for you to maintain an upright and healthy posture by strengthening core muscles and your shoulder muscles as well. Over time, consistently practicing this workout trains your body to adopt a healthy posture naturally. Number 5. Planks may help improve your balance and coordination. Improved balance and coordination are a natural outcome of strengthened and stabilized muscles. Planks make your core strong. As a result, it becomes easier to control your body movements and maintain balance throughout various activities and exercises. You can further enhance the benefits of planks by incorporating variations and challenges such as side planks, forearm planks, and dynamic plank movements. Remember, perform planks for up to 30 seconds, take a break, and repeat. This is particularly important to prevent overexertion. Make sure to perform planks correctly by maintaining a straight body line and engaging the core muscles. Also, avoid arching the back. As with any other workout, it is essential to maintain a proper form to get the most out of the benefits and avoid strain or serious injuries. Planks may not be suitable for everyone. People with back pain or wrist, ankle, and elbow pain should stay cautious. Planks might not be a good choice for pregnant women as well. Last but not least, before attempting any new exercise regime, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional. To get the most out of your plank workouts, make sure to focus on your nutrition and hydration. If you found this information helpful and would like to explore more fitness tips, workout routines, and valuable insights, be sure to hit that subscribe button for our latest updates. So guys, let your fitness journey begin.